In semantic feature analysis, it sounds fancy. What really it is a naming therapy that uses semantic or descriptive information about a word. Classically, you use like a word web where you have a target photo in the middle. Let's say it's a boat. And then around this target photo, you're going to ask the patient to fill in the blanks of each of these things and its semantic properties of it. So you're going to ask the patient things like, what word is associated with this word? And what action does it do? What's the verb for this word? And what category does it belong to? And there's other properties that you'll talk about. But for example, let's say the target word is boat. You show them a picture of a boat and you ask the patient, what is this? And then you break it down. You're like, what word is associated with this? What word is associated with boat? And they might say something like ship. Like, yeah, that's a related word. Then moving on, you could ask him, what action does a boat do? What does a boat do? It could be a number of things. Maybe they float. And you move on, and one of the last ones is, what category does it belong to? What group does boat belong to? And they could say something like vehicles. And you move on with a list of words with a stack of photo cards. And for a patient who has a severe to moderate severe aphasia, you might only get through a couple of pictures, maybe a stack of 10. And once they get good with those 10, then you move on to a new stack. You could get the word web and all the semantic features for semantic feature analysis that you're going to work with our patient at adultspeechtherapy.co. And we have other examples online and on our workbook, the Adult Speech Therapy Workbook, 2nd edition.